Welcome back. So this video is to answer one of the question raised by one of the commenters. So he or she is asking how to type in Vietnamese for the Huawei MatePad 11.5S. Okay, so this is the tablet. To type in Vietnamese, you have to install the correct language. So you have to go to your keyboard, which is under System and Updates, Language and Input. Okay, as you can see, currently my default keyboard is Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. So I will have to go to the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard settings, then select languages, then add in the new language. For example, I want Vietnam. Okay, Vietnamese. Alright, once you have done so, which I already did, as you can see here, I can type in Vietnamese. So I can do something like something like change to Vietnamese, slide over. Okay, something like this. So you have all the symbols of the Vietnamese language on top. So I guess this is what you want. So I hope this video helps. If you need any further help, do drop me a comment in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.